to talk with to complete the course. Okay, after a certain period of time, I reached a point, means I reached to a stage when I was not into the sport, means she stopped playing cricket. Of course,
Cricket.
I played for a long time, but there was a point when I hated playing it. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It was my dad's dream. It was not, it means that it was not her dream. It was the pressure of his dad. Dad means
Father.
Sir, Papa, father.
Father, Piताजी.
okay, dad's dream that I should represent India and play good cricket. So, whose dream was it?
Sir,
Her dad. Her father.
The what?
Her dad.
Ravi Raj's father.
What was the dream of the father? Speak in full sentence. What was the dream of her
Her
father?
father dream.
Her father dream was that
His
she
dream
would
was that she
represent
represent
India
India and play good cricket.
Very good.
and play good cricket.
बोलवाना बहुत जरूरी है इंग्लिश मीडियम में so I used to work hard. Here is a structure. Used to play. I have given you.
सर खेला करता
यह
था.
सर खेला करता था.
Very good. I used to do.
खेला करती थी.
सर गया जाया करता था.
जाया करता था. Used to go. Used to do.
किया करता था.
किया करती थी.
So
किया करती थी.
okay. In place of used to, which another word we can use? Anyone? In place of used to, can we use another word to denote habit? Would. I would go. The meaning of this is also मैं जाया करता था. I would do. So what is the difference between would and used to? Used to is a regular habit, means daily it happened in past. And would means it was a regular, but sometimes missing. For example, I used to go to school, but I would see picture. The picture I did not see every day, but I used to go to school every day. Is it clear the difference between used to and would? Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार फिर से.
Something missing. Would.
Once again, I used to go to school. It means that every day. But when I was a student of secondary section, I would see picture. The picture क्या बराबर बहुत बार देखता था, परंतु डेली देखता था? No.
No sir.
I used to go to school means every day. It was a daily routine. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes sir.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. There is the network problem. Network is Bhakolanand. J. Jha sir is not Bhakolanand. It is network which is Bhakolanand.
सर वाईफाई तो है वहाँ पर. सर वाईफाई तो है वहाँ पर.
Babu, it is not working here properly. Prince sir is taking effort. He has just called the mechanic. And if he comes and gets success, then from tomorrow we hope, we can hope. Okay. However, one remarkable thing, Vaibhav, Manu, Niharika, Kalpana, be careful.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we use however, then comma is certain to put. You see here, after the use of however, there is a comma. Till then, it never came. It never came. Now I am asking one question related to the part of the grammar. Never has been used here. Why? In the middle of subject and verb. Why?
Time indicator.
Very good. Time indicator is always placed between subject and main verb. And when there are helping verbs, then it is placed between helping verb and main verb. Is it clear? Hai? Time
Yes, sir.
indicator. Which word?
Yes, sir.
Indicator. Always, never, sometimes, often, just, at once. These are time indicating words. And these always come between subject and
Main verb.
Main verb.
Main verb.
and if there are helping verbs, then
Main verb between and helping verb.
Between a helping verb and a main verb. Is it clear? That's why never has come between it subject and a came verb. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ध्यान देंगे हिमांशु, you will also catch. Earlier you did not pay attention. That's why. Earlier you had not completed the structure. The first requirement was yes, it never came. Yes, Abhishek sir did not teach any part of the grammar. It never came from within. From within means from the heart of Mithali. From the heart within, from within means from the, it was the not the heart, her heart's desire. It was the desire of her father. It never came that I should be a cricketer. It was her father's desire. It was not her desire. That's why it did not come from within her heart. It came from within the heart of her father. May I move further? आगे बढ़ें.
Yes, sir.
It was only later. It was only later. You have off the camera, and so you are away from me. You have switched off your camera, and so you are away from me. What is the difference between off and away? OFF. What is the difference between OFF, off and away?
Sir, off मतलब near.
Very good. And
अवे मतलब दूर.
दूर.
अबे मतलब बहुत दूर.
अबे मतलब दूर.
बहुत दूर.
For example, when Samar cut an apple, one piece remained on the table and another piece fell off. होगा क्या वे होगा?
क्या सर?
Samar cut an apple with a knife on the table. One piece of apple remained on the table and another piece fell off या away.
अबे.
अबे.
अबे अबे.
No,
अबे.
off. Off.
Off, sir.
When his father chided him, then he ran
अबे.
अबे.
away. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Can you utter the same sentence which I have used? Any one of you? The same sentence. Samar.
Summer caught a apple.
Apple, not an apple.
An apple. Summer caught an apple.
One piece of apple with a knife.
One piece of apple is on the table.
Fall off near the table.
And another piece of apple fell off. When his father Yes, present it. When his father chided him, scolded him, reproved him, the chide, scold, reprove, तीनों का मीनिंग होता है डांटना. The when his father chided him, he ran away. He ran
Away.
away.
अबे
Very good. It was only.
सर एक हम बनाए.
हाँ, नहीं आते, इसको पूरा कर लेते हैं. Manu, first
यस सर.
finish this question. We have learnt a lots of grammar today. Okay. It was only later. What is the meaning of later? Later.
के बाद.
नहीं,
बाद सर.
बाद में.
यस सर.
सर बाद में बोलेंगे.
Later means बाद में. Open your camera. Open your camera. Yes. It was only later. Later. Later means बाद में. But there is another word. Latter. Latter. What is the meaning of that?
सर पात्र.
Latter.
लेटर पात्र.
नहीं,
सर.
that is later. Letter. That is later. I am telling.
बाद वाला.
बाद वाला. Very good. Latter means latter. Latter means बाद में. Latter. Latter means बाद वाला. What is the opposite of latter? बाद वाला. Latter. Latter. What is the opposite of latter?
Before.
Anyone? Vaibhav has left.
सर
Former. Note down. Latter. Opposite of latter. Former. Latter. Opposite में लिखिए former. 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 The latter means बाद वाला. Former means
पहले वाला.
पहले वाला.
very good. Now you tell me. Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru were two great patriots. देशभक्त थे. Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru were two great patriots. The former was a sant and the latter was a politician. क्लियर हुआ?
पहले वाला संत था और
बाद वाला सर पॉलिटिक्स था.
हाँ, politician.
yes.
महात्मा गांधी एंड पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू कितने हुए? दो. तब फॉर्मर कौन है? फॉर्मर कौन हो? किसका नाम पहले लिया हूं मैं?
महात्मा गांधी.
तब फॉर्मर आ गया महात्मा गांधी के लिए और लेटर आ गया जवाहरलाल.
पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
Once again listen the same sentence. For the clarification. Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru were great leaders. The former was a sant and the latter was a great politician. अब बात क्लियर हुई?
यस सर.
ये दोनों प्रोनाउन हैं. एक आया है महात्मा गांधी के लिए और दूसरा आया है पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के लिए. अब लेटर क्लियर हो गई.
यस सर.
Is it clear now?
यस सर क्लियर. यस.
It was only later around 2008 आप लोगों का जन्म 2008 में हो गया था?
यस सर 2007 में।
हाँ,
मेरा भी।
आपको एक साल और इंतजार करना पड़ा इस पृथ्वी पर आने के लिए। ये 2008 की बात है, आपके आने से एक साल पहले ही। It was only later around 2008 when I took मैंने
लिया।
मैंने लिया a personal decision, means she took herself a decision. It was her own heart which told her, यह उसका अपना हृदय था जो कहा। पर्सनल डिसीजन टू एंजॉय प्लेइंग क्रिकेट एंड प्ले फॉर माई सेक। Before 2008, it was not her desire, it was only her father's desire.
फादर डिजायर।
But it was 2008 when she took herself a decision to play cricket. Is it clear?
क्रिकेट।
हाँ, तो is it clear now?
सर इसका
अब ये हारमोनियम बज गया है।
सर मिताली राज का जन्म कब हुआ था? बुक में नहीं दिया।
क्या कल्पना?
सर 3 दिसंबर 1982।
थर्ड दिसंबर 1980।
1982 2।
हाँ,
कहाँ है?
कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं आप लोग? क्या बोल रहे हैं? क्या 82 में क्या हुआ?
सर कल मिताली राज का जन्म हुआ है।
यस।
कहाँ दिया?
हाँ, ओके। हेलो।
यस सर।
हाँ, now I think that I should drop it.
Okay, sir.
Only we have completed only one paragraph, but we have learned a number of grammatical parts. Can you tell me what grammar have you read?
यस सर।
Tell.
Formal.
सर मेनी सम और ऑल के बाद प्लूरल आता है।
हाँ, all many some के बाद plural आता है। And another thing, however,
सर लेटर
after however we use comma.
सर हाउएवर के बाद कॉमा नेसेसरी है।
हाँ, very good.
यस सर।
हाँ, and then the use of former
सर टाइम इंडिकेटर के बारे में पढ़े हैं।
हाँ, टाइम इंडिकेटर के सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के बीच में आता है। बहुत अच्छा, वेरी नाइस।
यस सर। और मेन वर्ब और हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बीच।
हाँ, आइए बच्चे कहाँ भाग गए सब?
भूख लगा था चला गया।
ओके ओके, बाय बाय नाउ। कितने बजे आज जगे थे? कल्पना, मनीष को
सर हम सर 4 बजे सब बच्चा जाग जाता है।
4 बजे?
Yes, sir.
7th के सारे बच्चे जाग जाते हैं और उसके बाद
यस सर।
7th के बच्चे 9 के बच्चे को जगाते हैं। Am I right? कल्पना जगाती हो ना भैया को? जगाती हो ना?
No, sir.
नो सर, पहले 8 वाले भैया और दीदी सब जाते हैं। सर 8 वाले।
ओके ओके, बाय
बाय सर।
बाय।
वही हमको चाहते तो हम क्या